Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we will study how to add the algebraic expressions. We will study addition of algebraic expressions. First, I will write one algebraic term minus 7 x square y cube. It's an algebraic term. Now we will see the parts of this term. Every algebraic term will have a sign. In this case, the sign is minus. Suppose there is no sign, it means it's plus. Then every term will have a constant. In this case, the constant of this term is minus 7. Okay? Every term will have variables. In this case, the variables are x and y. Every variable will have power. In this case, the power of x is 2. The power of y is 3. Okay? Suppose there's a term like this. Say minus x y square z. In this case, the constant term in this is minus 1. The power of z is 1. The power of z is 1. Here the power doesn't appear here, so it means the power of z is 1. Here the number is not appearing, it is minus 1. That you need to remember. Now, I will write an algebraic expression. See, algebraic expression. 5x square minus 7xy plus 9y minus 3. It's an algebraic expression because there are so many terms in this terms. There are 4 terms in this expression. It's called an algebraic expression. Among algebraic terms, there are 2 types of terms. We will see the 2 types of algebraic terms. Like terms. And there are unlike terms. I will write some like terms here and we will see why they are called as like terms. Here there are some, I wrote some terms here and I am calling them as like terms. Why? Because all these terms have something in common. The variables and their powers are common. The variables and their powers are all same. The signs are different, don't bother. The numbers are different, don't bother. Just compare the variables and their powers. If the variables and the powers are same, such terms are called as like terms. The signs are different, don't bother. The numbers are different, don't bother. Just compare the variables and their terms. So all the terms that have same variables with same powers are called as like terms. If not, they are called as unlike terms. These terms are called unlike because the variables and the powers are not the same. In these two terms, if you compare them, though the variables are same, but their powers are not same. In these two terms, the variables are also not same. So when the variables and the powers are not same, they are called as unlike terms. So while adding the algebraic expressions, you should learn to discriminate between like terms and unlike terms. Now we'll see. We can add or subtract only like terms. So you should remember this. It's very important. We can add or subtract only like terms. So now, before going into this, we should first learn the basic rule for solving integers. See, plus 5 plus 3 minus 5 minus 3 minus 5 plus 3 plus 5 minus 3. Here I have written some 4 sums here. In the first case, both are carrying plus sign. In the second case, both are carrying minus signs. Third case, the signs are different. Fourth also, the signs are different. So in the first case, when both are pluses, add and put plus. So the answer is 8, plus 8. When both are minuses, add and put minus. The answer will be minus 8. When the signs are different, subtract and put the bigger number sign. So I'll get here minus 2. Because 5 is the bigger number. It's carrying minus sign. Here also the signs are different. So subtract and put the bigger number sign. I'll get plus 2. So you have to remember this basic rule. Next one, you have to remember the rule for multiplication of integers. Plus into plus is equal to plus. Minus into minus is also equal to plus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Plus into minus is also equal to minus. See, this is the rule for multiplication of integers. This rule will help you to open the brackets. See here, plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is also plus, minus into plus is minus, plus into minus is minus. So you should not forget these two rules. Now we'll see how to add the algebraic terms. See, x plus x, what we will get? In this case, you have to solve only the numbers. The numbers are not appearing means 1, it is 1x. 1x, so only solve the numbers. So 1 plus 1, I'll get 2. So 2x, keep the variable as it is. In the case of addition or subtraction, we are not going to do anything with the variable. Just we are solving the numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2x minus 5x square minus 3x square. Here we have to solve only the numbers, that is minus 5 minus 3. Add and put minus. So minus 8x square. Only we are solving the numbers, not the variables. Variables we are keeping the variables as it is. Okay. Now 4xy minus 7xy. Here plus 4 minus 7. Get minus 3. Keep the variables as they are. (11a) minus a. You can see here 11 plus 11 minus 1. What we will get? We will get 10. So 10a. Now add three x square y square x square y cube comma minus 9 x square y cube and x square y cube. Now we got a sum here. Add 3x square y cube minus 9x square y cube and x square y cube. The adding can be done in two methods. One is column method, next is row method. We will learn both the methods. So first we will do it in the column method. In the column method, write them one below the other. 3 x square y cube minus 9 x square y cube x square y cube. Here we have to solve only these numbers. So what is the number here? It's plus 1. So plus 3 plus minus 9 plus 1. If we solve it, see 3 minus 9 plus 1. How to solve it? First solve the plus numbers. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 9. What will get? You have to subtract and put the bigger number sign. So we'll get minus 5. So the answer is minus 5 x square y cube. The same sum, we will do it in the row method. In the row method, first put them all in a row. 3 x square y cube plus, write it within the bracket, minus 9 x square y cube plus x square y cube. In the first step, you have to write them in a row. Put one plus, write it within the bracket. Put one plus, write it within the bracket. Now the next step, you have to open the brackets. Write the first one as it is, 3 x square y cube. Now we need to open the brackets here. Plus into minus is minus. So minus 9 x square y cube. Here plus into plus. Plus into plus is plus x square y cube. The next step is shuffle the like terms together. So these two, no, in this, no, I'm sorry, only we need to solve it. You have to solve the numbers. So if you solve them, we will get minus 5 x square y cube. In the row method, write these terms in a row by putting one plus next term within the bracket plus next term within the bracket. Second step is you have to open the brackets. Open the brackets. Then you have to solve the numbers. Add minus 5 xy and minus 7 xy. In the row method, write them one below the other. Minus 5 xy minus 7 xy. You have to solve only the numbers. So both are minuses, add and put minus. So we get minus 12 xy. The same thing if you do it in the row method. So write them in a row, minus 5 xy plus minus 7 xy. Now we need to open the brackets here. Minus 5 xy minus 7 xy, because plus into minus is minus. So we get minus 12 xy. Now we'll see how to add the algebraic expressions. Till now we have seen how to add the algebraic terms. Now we'll see how to add the algebraic expressions. Add 3x square minus 7xy plus 3 comma, okay, you can put it and 4x square minus xy minus 1. To write now we'll solve it in two ways, column method and row method. First we'll see the column method. In the column method, write one below the other. 3 x square minus 7 xy plus 3. Write that expression below this. But take care, the like term should be written under like terms. So 4x square minus xy minus 1. So now we can solve only the like term. So solve the numbers. Plus 3 plus 4, 7x square, minus 7 minus 1, add and put minus, so minus 8xy, again plus 3 minus 1, subtract and put the bigger number sign, so we'll get plus 2. Now same sum we'll do it in the row method. So write it in a row. 3x square minus 7xy plus 3, put one plus, open the bracket, write the whole thing within the bracket. 4x square minus xy minus 1. Write the first expression here, put one plus, open a bracket, write the whole thing within the bracket. Now we need to open this bracket now. So 3x square minus 7xy plus 3. Now here we open the brackets now. Plus into plus is plus, plus 4x square. Again plus into minus is minus, minus xy. Plus into minus is minus, minus 1. Next step is shuffle the like terms together. So these two are like terms. I'll write them together. 3x square plus 4x square. Next one is minus 7xy minus xy. I am writing the like terms together. Plus 3 minus 1. So now I can solve only the like terms. I'll get here 7x square. 3 plus 4 is 7. Here minus 7 minus 1 minus 8 xy plus 3 minus 1 plus 2. So this is the column method, this is the row method. Next sum, add 5mn minus 9n square plus 3 comma 7n square minus mn plus 1 and minus 4 plus n square minus 7mn. Here we have got three algebraic expressions. We need to add them. See, this one, and this one. So first we will do it in the column method. So write one below the other. 5mn minus 9n square plus 3. Now write this expression below this, but take care, like terms should be written under like terms. So minus mn plus 7n square plus 1. So write this one below this. A like term should come under like terms. Minus 7mn plus n square minus 4. Now we have to solve these numbers. So what is here now? 5 minus 1 minus 7. So if I solve these two, I will get 5 minus 8. Again, if I solve these two, I will get minus 3. So minus 3 mn. Next, you can see here we have got minus 9 there plus 7 plus 1. So if I solve these two, what I will get? Minus 9 plus 8. Again, these two if I solve, I will get minus 1. Okay, so minus n square. Here 3 plus 1 4 plus 4 minus 4 0. Now the same sum we will do in the row method. First, now we will solve the same sum in the row method. 5mn minus 9 9n square plus 3. Now put one plus, open a bracket, write this within the bracket. 7n square minus mn plus 1. Close the bracket. Again put one plus, open one more bracket, write the whole thing within the bracket. Minus 4 plus n square minus 7mn. In the first step, we need to open the brackets. So 5mn minus 9n square plus 3. Now plus into plus is plus, plus 7n square, plus into minus is minus, minus mn, plus into plus is plus, plus 1. Again plus into minus is minus 4, plus into plus is plus, plus n square, plus into minus is minus, minus 7mn. The next step, I have to shuffle the like terms together. So 5mn, like term for this is minus mn, and minus 7mn. Next one, minus 9n square. The like term for this is plus 7n square. Then plus n square. 3 plus 3 plus 1 minus 4. Now we need to solve the like terms. So here plus 5, we will get minus 8 here, plus 5 minus 8, we will get minus 3. Minus 3mn. These three are like terms. So minus 9 plus 7 plus, so 7 plus 1, 8. So minus 9 plus 8, we will get minus n square. Here 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So the sum is solved here. In this class, we have learned how to add the algebraic terms and expressions. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.